Hello friends. So today we'll see LeetCode's 443 question. So let's go to the screen. Let me now. So what question says that string compression, given an array of character chars, compress it using the following algorithm. Begin with an empty string s for each group of consecutive repeating characters in char. Okay. Okay. And if the group's length is 1, append the character to s, otherwise append the character followed by the group length. Okay, this is the algorithm that using this algorithm we need to compress the character vector, and what it says that we need to group same characters such that we just need to append that instead of appending whole length, I mean number of characters, we just want that one time, and it should be followed by number of characters in that. I mean number of not all, but frequency of that character, it should be followed by frequency of that character. But if the character occurs only one time, then it shouldn't be followed by its number of character, like it shouldn't be followed by one. So yeah, that's the algorithm. And what it says next, the compressed string here should not be written separately. Okay, the compressed string should not be written separately, but instead be stored in the input character chars. Note that group lengths that are 10 or longer will be split into multiple characters. Got it? So what does it says that uh, we made a string where we have a character, it's followed by its frequency, and if its frequency greater than 10, then it just means ki for the number we have more than one digits. So it shouldn't be like in one, it shouldn't like, yeah, huh. It should be like if 110, then it should be 10, like two characters separately, it should be consecutively two characters. Okay, I think you got it. Then what it says, after you are done modifying the input array, return. Okay, what it says, we need to do that, then store the input characters array in that. Okay, we need to modify, like first we will make string, then we'll store the string in our char vector, and the length of the string will return. That's the question says. So how we can do it? So first approach coming in my mind, that make a string, separate string, and like how they says, like here for the first question, let's take out the first question here. Example here, what it says that of let's traverse it. My first approach is like traverse it and apply the algorithm. The consecutive repeating character in for each group of consecutive repeating character in char, we need to take that character one time and need to append its frequency. So I have to like what they have said, that begin with an empty string, yes. So we just do that. We'll just do that, and we'll do key. We'll traverse, like I will take the index and we'll use the while loop, and then we'll see key if this character, count the frequency of that character and append it. So we'll append it here, a2, then b, then b2, because b have occurred two times, then c have occurred three times, like this. Then we have the answer. Where is the answer? This is then actually this will be our string, but then we will modify our character vector. This character vector and this character vector will look like this only, like whatever the string we have formed, then if we copy that string to our character vector, then it will be look like this: a 2 b 2 c 3. Then we'll just return 1 2 3 4 5 6. We'll return 6 because its length is 6. So here they have said return 6 cause length of the string is 6, and we return 6. Then for next question, we have only a, and as they have said, if it is only 1, then append the character to s, that we don't need to append the length, that it shouldn't be followed by its length. So for A, it shouldn't be 1A1. Like it's like first thought I can mind that it should be A1, but it like whatever we are following according to that it should be A1, but the algorithm says if its frequency is 1, then don't append it. So we should not append it, and then we will copy that string. Like our string will be this only, and we'll append that string to our char, and then string length is 1, so we'll return 1, and the answer will be this only, like this. And let's see next. Next is A B B B. Okay, like this. Got it. So it's just like that only. Like if I take this, it just this example is for this thing. Let me just copy first that. Okay, this is the example, but this example explains what this explanation says. Where is that explanation? Okay, here. But instead we here is it, note that that note is explained by this example, that the group of length that are 10 or longer will be split into multiple characters in chars. So what happens here, that we have our yes will be A1, B 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, B 13, 13 or 12. No, it's 12. I think I count one extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me count with you. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. So A1, B12. And how will happen is the length of the string here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like here, just we'll count A1, B1, 2. Then its length is 5. We'll return 5. And we'll copy the same thing to our char vector, and it will look like this. But okay, it shouldn't be A1, because if length is 1, then we will not open that it shouldn't be A1. So yeah, it covers both examples, that it should be A B 12, and the answer will be this. Okay, so let's see how we can code this. Well, we can code. I have one optimal approach also and one naive approach that they have told. Well, in this video, we'll see the naive approach. That is, they have told that the algorithm they have said will implement that algorithm only. And uh, in next video, I'll tell optimal approach, in which we'll see in next video. But here in this video, we'll just implement what they have told us to implement, or what they have told us the algorithm. Only will implement that one only. So let's take that. So what is this? Uh, let's start it. I mean, we have to what they have said, you begin with an empty string s. So I'm beginning with the empty string s, and let's go what it says. I will take one index, and I will take the length of the string, length of the chars vector, chars, j, yes, it is right, ers dot size. And what I will do, I will run one while loop, while index less than n. What I will do here, I will take one that character, I will store that chars at index, and its count, int count, and will while my index say index is less than n, and see chars at that index is equals to ch. Till then, just increase the count and increase the index. And after that, what we need to do here, what they have told, if the group length is 1, then just append the character. So we'll check if count is equals to 1, then just append the index, yes dot push back ch, or I mean, or in the sense, if our count is greater than 1, then string to integer, integer to string, to string. Then what we will do key yes dot pushback ch. Let's do it like, instead of doing the same operation in if and else, if it is common, then we'll do it first. That will, whatever it is, that if it is count is equals to 1 or if count is greater than 1, we have to append the character. So we'll append the character, and my if my count is greater than 1, for that what I will do key yes plus, I mean yes is equals to yes plus to string count. It is basically inbuilt function which convert the integer to a string, and yes is equal to yes plus to string count. Okay, and I think this works. But at the end, what they have said, ki our result, like, and result of this function will be yes dot size, and for and like we have to copy also, right? We have to copy that characters in this yes to the cats vectors, like what they have provided the vector of cats, to that vector we have to copy the characters in our string. So int I is equals to 0, I is less than result. I'm taking result because I will be return the result, and I want to just copy, because result is the length of a string yes, and I want to copy that those only those character to our cats. And one thing, characters, if I was thinking ki result string may have greater length than cat's length, but it won't possible, because let's see ki we have 10 or 15 characters. Count will be 15 and it's contain only 2 digits, but we have 15 number of cats, so length of the cats will be 15. So it won't be possible ki yes dot length is greater than cats dot length. So that's, I was like, I was confused at that time, so I just told ki if anyone is confused, so he shouldn't or she shouldn't. I plus plus, what we will do ki chars at that index is equals to yes at that index. Okay, and we'll return result. Then run it, we'll see it works. It should work because we just implemented the what day says. Indeed, okay, sorry, this happens guys, this is human error, like no one can, it's just spelling mistake, it happens. So let's submit it. See what happens. It accepted, but see, its runtime is 4 milliseconds. I have the optimal solution. We'll see it in the next video. For now, bye bye. So 1 minute. अरे यार. Now I can say bye.